Should Charlie Munger just sell his whole Baba position right now? People are claiming that he's down 400% because he was using margin to purchase the stock. But remember, he bought in Q1 2021, then he sold out for tax loss harvesting, then he got back in. So I'm assuming his price is around $200, $220, maybe a little bit lower. So he's still down huge on his position because he was using a margin to buy this position. But still, should he sell this stock? Because it's been crashing like crazy, down 12% for the day. It's at $63 a share. So let's do a quick stock analysis on this position. What do you think about Munger's buy? His 13F filing recently, he didn't sell anything. So he's staying solid on his position. He still believes in the company. Alibaba stock crashed hard today. It's insane what happened. This was a huge drop, 12%, $63. The market cap at 167 billion. This is unheard of. This is lower than its damn IPO price, even though it's probably 5x, 10x its revenue numbers. It doesn't matter at this point. Baba is trading near damn lows. And this is all because I think Xi Jinping secured his historic third term as the leader of China. A lot of his inner circle is just filled with loyalists right now, people that just are right behind him. And this is historic because it's never been done before for 3 terms. It's always 2 terms. So this is why I think the market is very down on Baba, because they think Xi Jinping is a socialist and that he's going to privatize all of these business, which I think isn't true. Because if you actually read what he was talking about, it's a lot of positive in there. I'm going to get through that probably in my next video. So stay tuned. But let's get back to Baba right now because it's at $167 billion. And remember, one of the best investors, Charlie Munger, was buying this at around $220, $230. Can you believe that? We're saying that Charlie Munger saw this company as undervalued at $220, $230, and it's trading at $63. That's insane. Do you think he's changed his mind since his huge drop? I highly doubt it because the moat still stands. And this is why I would be buying if I had more money to buy Alibaba, because we still have Alibaba, the retail business, which is just huge at this point, more than 1.1 billion active users. We still have cloud computing. We still have the logistics services. We still have Ant Financial, 1/3 of Ant Financial, which, remember, it was supposed to be a $300 billion market cap company when it was going to IPO, and that got crushed down. So maybe around 100 billion right now. Who knows really, but still, that's a huge win for Alibaba, just having that ownership in Ant Financial. Guys, with all of that, it doesn't matter. If you look at the balance sheet of Alibaba, they have around $41 billion in cash. 25% of the market cap is just cash. 25%. Are you serious right now that Alibaba can be trading this low? It's unheard of at this point. And you have to think about the cloud computing. China's public cloud market to triple by 2025. They have a 36% on the cloud market and it's expecting to triple to 90 billion. They made 12 billion. If you put like a 5x sales multiple on the cloud computing of Ali Cloud, that's already like $60 billion just from the cloud computing in 2025. If Baba remains 36% of the market with Huawei and Tencent Cloud competing with it. Now, just going to the income statement, they generated $22 billion, and this is a bad year off the $35 billion. So if we were to buy the whole company for $167 billion, it would take us around 8 years just to get our money back. Can you imagine just buying this company with this type of moat in the market, and in 8 years you get all your money back? Who wouldn't do that? No one in the world who wouldn't buy a company that would get all your money back in 8 years, with the strongest, with the biggest e-commerce platform, with the biggest cloud platform. Alipay, one of the 2 biggest payment platform that basically has a monopoly with Tencent Pay. So do you just see the dominance in Alibaba, and it's trading this low? This is not even including their investments. Like, they have a lot of investments in different companies. That's not even including that. So you can just see how undervalued this company is if you want to use the sum of parts, if you want to use the cash flow, if you want to use the cash that it has on its balance sheet, if you want to do the growth projection into the future for Alibaba, it doesn't even matter. JD.com, $57 billion it's selling for right now. Guys, can you believe right now, 52%, $30 billion in cash, 52% of its market cap is just in cash. just in cash. That's not including JD Retail. That's not including JD Property, JD Health, and logistics, data, all of that stuff. It doesn't matter right now. It's just that cheap in the market. So you can just see how China is just selling off like crazy. Everything in the Chinese market is irrational right now because of Xi Jinping's third term. So guys, do you believe that BABA is worth pretty much zero at this point? If it's worth $63, why not just go to zero? Like, that's what the market is telling you it's really, really worth. Majority of people think the risk of owning Chinese companies is just not worth it. There's so much unknown going on in the Chinese market when it comes to China, Taiwan. Everyone thinks there's going to be a war coming very, very soon. And people are saying Xi Jinping is going to handle that, or they're kind of hinting on that, which I think is untrue. I think USA is doing more to kind of start this war than China. We have the auditing. The auditing is still up in the air. We don't know if it's going to be settled. People are still talking about it. So guys, tell me what you think about BABA. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you just holding? What do you think about BABA, guys? Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.